This video is sponsored by Clevguard. Check description for more information.
Nowadays, with the increase in the usage of smartphones, especially among the young generation, it has become very difficult to track their activity on the internet. And this has become a major problem for all the parents out there. But if I tell you that you can track your kids' activity on the internet with the help of your smartphone, will you believe me? Just like Manoj Bajpayee did in Family Man. Hi guys, I'm your host Shomit Seth, and in this video we're going to be discussing about KidGuards Pro for Android. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so once you are on your smartphone, you will have to follow the link in the description to download this app. Once you download it, open it. The first thing it will ask you to do is login. So log in with your registered email ID and password. After that, it will ask you to enter the age and name of your son. So do that. Now you will see a page where it shows all the prerequisites that you will have to do before you can start using this app. I am fast forwarding this part, but I will also write these steps in an instruction format in the description below so that you can read it and follow it from there. Okay, so once you're done with all the prerequisites, you will notice that the icon on the home page will change from a white circular icon to an orange bell icon. Okay, so now you have successfully set up your target phone. To monitor its activity, you will have to switch to your desktop. Okay, so once you are on your desktop, you will have to go to the Clevguard's official website and log in with your official email ID. Now you will have to go to your My Products. This is the page where you will find all the products that you have purchased till now. Under that, you will see KidGuards for Android. There you will see Dashboard. So click on Dashboard. Now here is a first look of your dashboard. Once you have set up your phone, you will have a lot of information that you will see on your dashboard's homepage. That would be your device name, as you can see OnePlus 9 Pro, device model, device OS, status of the device, whether it's online or offline. It's pretty good that they're also showing Wi-Fi and GPS options here also. You can see GPS is off on the device, Wi-Fi is off on the device. You can also see the battery level. Apart from that, you can also see your account's data also, your account's email ID, your account's official notification email, your plan, expiration date of your plan, and auto renewal is enabled. So you can see a lot of stuff. Now on the left hand side, you can see a list of features that you can do with this software that we will talk about in detail in the video. The first feature on the list is Call Logs, which has the list of incoming and outgoing calls made from the target phone. Apart from the calls, you can also track messages received and sent from the target phone. You can also keep a track of contacts saved on the target phone. You can also keep a track of browser history. You also have access to photos and videos stored on the target phone. You can also track app activity done on the target phone. You also get to know the location of the target phone, and you can also create a geofence for the target phone which notifies you whenever the target phone leaves the designated area. You can also keep a track of activity on social apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, Tinder, etc. You also get remote control features as well. You can record calls, capture screenshots, take photos, which gives you even more strict control over your child's phone. Apart from this, you can even export data such as call logs, messages in a CSV format, and you can also keep control over app permissions. You can also recover permanently deleted Facebook and Instagram messages using the keylogger. Besides, you can also take advantage of the screenshot capturing of KidGuards Pro for Android to see the deleted messages on Messenger. The screenshot will automatically happen when Facebook Messenger is in use and the cell phone is connected to Wi-Fi. This software is really great and it can help a lot of parents in tracking their child's activity on the smartphone, as well as it helps in recovering deleted messages, which turns out to be a bonus for its users.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So this was my take on the KidGuards Pro for Android. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. And if you have any queries about this software, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And you can also check the first link in the description box from where you can go to their official website and you can have your insights about this software on their website. With that being said, keep loving, keep supporting. This is Shomit Seth signing off. Peace.